Okay, last question of the exam then, so you're expecting this one to be quite a toughie. We are looking at a diagram of a square and a circle, so again, we know that we've got a right angle here and we've got a right angle here, and then the other corners as well. So that's going to help us. The diagonal of the square, so diagonal of the square is here, and that's equal to the diameter, so all the way across of the circle. That's going to be really helpful information for us. Better start off by working out the diagonal of the square then. So as it's a square, we know all the sides are the same length. So this must be 4.2 centimetres as well. So looking at this, we've actually got ourselves a little bit of a right angled triangle. So we can use that right angled triangle just here, and we can actually find the length of the diagonal. So let's do that. Pythagoras then. A squared plus b squared equals h squared. 4.2 squared plus 4.2 squared equals h squared. So 4.2 squared plus 4.2 squared is 35.28. Is that the length of the diagonal? No, it looks far too long. It's because we've forgotten to square root it. So to get the hypotenuse itself, we're going to square root 35.28, and that gives us 5.94 centimetres. I want to give my final answer to one decimal place, so I'm going to use 2 decimal places until I get to the very end. Right, now that I know that's the diagonal, I can label that onto my circle because it's the same length. So there's my diameter. Okay, so the thing about the circle that we're trying to figure out is the circumference. So we're going to use our circumference formula, and we know that is circumference equals pi times diameter. So the circumference is pi times our diameter of 5.94. Pi times, I'm actually going to use the answer button on my calculator, so I haven't done any rounding at all. And that's going to give me 18.660, so 18.7 to 1 decimal place. So this is why it's so important not to round too early, so that your final answer is nice and accurate.